Hey, it's Crypto BirdDog pointing you in the right direction. Welcome to Crypto Club today. Today we'll look at the market. We'll see that there are a couple of currencies that have made major moves. We'll also look at the advances. Sedgwick 2x continues. We'll see some more mainstreaming of digital currencies in our daily life. I'd like to also touch on a breaking news story that involves Microsoft and cryptocurrencies. Last but not least, we'll highlight today's video. Thanks for joining us. Let's get started. All right, so currently we can see that the crypto markets have got a bit of a day, in my opinion, that they're catching their breath. It's been a busy last 10 days, and so for the Bitcoin level, today it is at a price at this moment of $3,413, and it is a 24-hour percentage change in positive 2.34%. Also, another item that is of note, the Bitcoin Cash has continued to stay in the realm of between $200 and $300, and currently it is trading at a $285 level with a 11% 24-hour change decrease in its currency value. The interesting NEO is ranked number 9 today in the currency market cap, and so it has made some huge strides in 24 hours. It has increased a 52% value. It is currently trading at $29.40. So we can now move to one of our interesting currencies, Bitcoin Cash. It does continue, as we have been looking, to hold steady, and it originally has skyrocketed after the fork and was at $700 range trading. Now the value has come down and settled at $285 currently. It is my opinion that this will take some time, but I believe it is a good idea for you to hold your Bitcoin Cash. I personally am holding it, and to look at it in 1 month's time, I do believe that this will continue to return to a more profitable value, and in my opinion, I think it'll reach and stay around $500. So that could be towards the end of the year, but I am going to hold my Bitcoin Cash and not sell it or exchange it. And let's talk about the blockchain. As we know today, there's a story out that does talk about the success that the Sedgwick 2x blockchain has achieved, and the developer of the Bitcoin, Jean-Pierre Roup, he has filed an announcement that recommits his group to increasing the block size parameters to 2 megabytes. So with the success of the fork, and the Bitcoin Cash is now trading successfully, and it has not had any further problems. There is the 90% of Bitcoin's computational capacity plan that is going to dedicate even more infrastructure, even more of the purchasing of hardware that will support the need to mathematically solve these hash computations. So with faster ability and greater bandwidth, these transactions will be able to handle in a smoother and faster fashion. And my highlighted video for today deals with generating a secure password. Please check it out. And the popularity of Bitcoin continues. Recently, South Korea stated they would make Bitcoin their national currency. And as of this week, we have seen lawmakers in Australia state that they too will make it their initiative to bring the national currency into the digital age with the adoption of Bitcoin as their national currency. So we'll be following those stories. It's very interesting as we continue to see mainstreaming of Bitcoin and digital currencies in our daily lives. CNBC reported this morning their interview with Tom Lee of Fundstrat that he expects Bitcoin to be the new gold. He said that he expects this growing institutional investor demand will give Bitcoin derivatives an entirely new industry, and will help digital currencies move even higher. So we'll have to follow this as that develops. And the additional Chicago Board of Options Exchange has stated that they too are going to plan Bitcoin futures exchange early next year. Some reports I have seen have them out as early as Q4 of this year. So we'll have to see how that comes. But you can see again the mainstreaming of digital currencies in our daily lives. Now, some of us use Coinbase.com as an avenue to make your exchanges if you're going to buy digital currency with your US dollar. This is one of them, and it has come to my attention that Fidelity is a United States fund that is investing $2.3 trillion in a new cryptocurrency service. And this interview today in the Business Insider is with Abigail Johnson. She is the CEO, and she has stated that it is her desire and fascination with cryptocurrency that they wish to create a trading exchange that will allow the customers that use Fidelity funds to incorporate the digital currencies that they hold in their Coinbase.com wallets on their Fidelity websites. So you can see that if a portal is linked by Fidelity to the Coinbase.com cryptocurrency world, again, there's more mainstreaming to come. These are very, very beginning steps in what is going to be, again, the future for currency. So another story today is very interesting to me, and this deals with Microsoft, JP Morgan, and the Cocoa platform. It has been derived by Microsoft, and it is designed to make open source software compatible with all currencies. This will provide faster transactions, hardware capability across the different blockchains. So it'll be interesting to watch the movers and shakers in this platform. Again, Microsoft has developed it. It is out there, and currently the JP Morgan Quorum currency and Ethereum currencies are in play. So they have partnered with Microsoft for the Cocoa platform. Keep that in the back of your mind, folks. You'll hear that again soon. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed today's Crypto Club. Sub my channel, please. Like this video and share it. Be sure to get notified. Hit the bell by your subscriber button. Hit the bell and get notified. Please don't miss the next video or live stream. And this is Crypto BirdDog reminding you to plan your work and work your plan. Have a great day.